In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the default email layout in Outlook. If you want Outlook to feel cleaner, easier to read, or simply better suited to the way you work, adjusting the default email layout is a great place to start. Outlook gives you several built-in layout options, so you can personalize how your inbox looks without changing anything too complicated. To begin, go to your Outlook email inbox. Make sure you're on the main mail screen where you can see your messages and folders. This is the starting point for accessing the settings that control the appearance of your email layout. Once you're in your inbox, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on the gear icon. This is the settings button. When you open it, Outlook will display the options related to the look and behavior of your mailbox. This area is where you can make quick visual changes without needing to dig through advanced menus. From here, you'll notice that there are multiple sections you can customize. These include focused inbox, text size and spacing, message height, message organization, the reading pane, message list format, and animations. Each of these options affects how your inbox is displayed. For example, focused inbox can separate important emails from less important ones, which can help reduce clutter. Text size and spacing are useful if you want messages to feel more compact or easier to read. Message height changes how much space each email takes up in your list, which can help you fit more messages on screen or make them easier to scan. You can also adjust message organization to control how conversations or emails are grouped. The reading pane setting is especially helpful because it changes where your email opens, such as on the right, at the bottom, or not at all. Message list format lets you control how details appear in your inbox, and animations can be turned on or off depending on whether you prefer a more dynamic or more minimal experience. Take a moment to review each section and choose the layout that works best for your workflow. If you spend a lot of time in Outlook every day, even small layout changes can make a big difference in comfort and productivity. After making your selections, Outlook typically applies the changes automatically, so you can immediately see how your updated layout looks. That's it. You now know how to change the default email layout in Outlook and customize your inbox to better match your preferences.